Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manjunath Chandraya. Today's session we'll be learning how to use VLOOKUP on a partial text to get the values. So I have a simple data, employee number, employee name, working days, wages, and I have an employee number, working days and wages. So I have a data here. So we try to pull the values from working days to wages in K column to C and D. Since the employee numbers are the constant, so I'm using this criteria in my VLOOKUP. So let's put the VLOOKUP insert function. So lookup value is nothing but the employee number we are trying to look for the working days. So this is the table area or the source table. We select from J to L. So we need the working days. It's in second column. So as you drag this, you can see the second 2C. So we just put 2C is nothing but second column. 0 is nothing but the exact match. So exact match we need to get we can put it as false. I can put it as 0. So hit OK. Now the values are not picking here. The reason is the VLOOKUP only checks for the particular value. Say if it's 100 here, it will go and check 100 here. If I change it to 100 here, so now the values will pick, right? Because the 100 is matching. So anything extra text, anything else is there, it doesn't understand that criteria. In that case, we can use the wild card to get the values. This just it's the instant function. So now we had at the A2. So wildcard is nothing but what wildcard does is it go and check the partial text, say 100. So we need to check only 100 somewhere in this. So it will go and check. Let's put 100 here. So I've selected the A2 100. So now we had and so we need to club to the cell wildcard. So I am adding a and. So any special characters or a text we need to add the double quote. Start with the double quote. So we'll start with double quote. So wildcard is nothing but a star. So let's shift. So I'll select the star. Close the double quote. So as I put this, you can see here 100 star. So what it implies is if you put a star to the right of the number, it ignore anything on the right side. So 100 is here. Since I have a text here Ram, so I need to ignore Ram. So I'm putting a star to the right. So now everything same. You can see the result already. You can see the result here popping. Just hit enter, drag it down. Now you can see. So what we just did, we added a wildcard star to the right side of the number. So it's ignoring the this side. Say example, let's cut this, add Ram to the 100 employee number to the right side. So now it is not taking because the criteria says 100 ignore. So nothing is there, it will ignore everything and search. Again we have a text here. So it doesn't pick. In that case, what we can do is the insert function. Let's add wildcard to the other side too. So again, double quote, star, double quote, again add and to club. Now you can see here result. So and is important to club this two into the cell. Star 100 star. Now you can see the value speaking. Now what it does, this this special character star wildcard what we have put on both the side, this number will be searched anywhere in this particular cell. If that 100 is matched somewhere, it will pick the values. It's very simple. Let's use the same thing here for the wages. We look up, select this cell. Once you select the cell, we need to add the stars. So we'll start with the double quote, star, double quote, and. So again add a and here. Again start with the double quote star and. So I can see 100 star 100 star. Same thing table area. Select the. We need to wages. It's in third column. So we add 3 and the 0. So now you can see the values picking up. guys, you can see we're able to pull the on a partial text, and it's very simple and very useful. Sometimes we have a data, no need to go and do the split this column into 2 3 column, then you put a VLOOKUP. Instead of that, you can use this wildcard star in between both the cells, so able to get the values. It's very simple and very helpful. Hope this video was interesting. If you find this video was interesting, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. Thanks for your time. Happy learning.